So now we are in the GoNoodle Plus section. So this is a part of the program that you will have to pay for. It is beneficial for teachers especially. I don't think that if you are someone at home who is using the GoNoodle website that you will need the GoNoodle Plus. Basically for teachers, it will allow you to have access to more videos varying in themes. So you can customize your own games with your own questions, which I think is really beneficial for learning, depending on what you are teaching. You will also get printable learning extensions, so you can do like mini lessons based off of a video that you really enjoyed and think will benefit your students if you are able to continue and go further with that lesson. So as you can see over here too, GoNoodle Plus has payment for schools. So if you're a school and you're a part of this, then you get even more. So you can even get training and support. You can get volume discounts, monthly usage reports on, let's say, like at the beginning when you had to come over here and you signed in to a class. If you're a teacher and you put in your school and they're paying for it, then you're able to get monthly usage reports along with the printable learning extension. So you can see that there are many benefits to getting the GoNoodle Plus if you are a teacher or a school or an institution. At home, you already get so many videos at your disposal, as you can see here. I'll show you over here what I mean. If for me, I'm not paying anything because I don't need to. I'm not a teacher quite yet. But you'll see down here, I still have so many options to pick and choose from, even if I don't have GoNoodle Plus. So because I don't have GoNoodle Plus, I won't be able to click on any of these. And this kind of happens with a lot of the channels that you're on. So in each channel, there will probably be at least 1 or 2 videos that you will be unable to access unless you have GoNoodle Plus. Yeah, so that's it for the Plus section.